Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Taylor, and today we are finally finished with the dirt cheap 7.3 Powerstroke, but it doesn't really do it much justice in here under the fluorescent lights, so let's get to a quick edit of this thing outdoors looking beautiful. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick edit of this truck's unbelievable transformation. It's been just 2 weeks since we've owned this thing, but it has really come a long way quickly, and it took a lot of work to get it from looking like this to looking like this. But I'm happy that you guys were able to come along for this project, and I know that in the last video I mentioned the next video you would be seeing was of the turbo pedestal oil leak repair, but since the weather ended up being so beautiful this weekend, I decided to take advantage of it, get this thing cleaned up and bring it outside to really see it in the daylight and see how this work turned out. Now I do plan to tackle that oil leak on this turbo pedestal, and I'll put the camera down here and you can see down here in this valley there is some leaking oil, and definitely the cause of that leak that I see down at the bottom of the truck, so you'll see that in a video coming up soon. Now, one other thing that I will mention is that I mentioned in previous videos that I would be removing the steering wheel and replacing it with a good used one, but I just couldn't find one in any of the local wrecking yards that were worth the effort of removing from a wrecked truck, so I put one of these covers on here. Doesn't look the best, but it also doesn't look the worst, and gets the job done. But guys, all in all, I think for a 225,000 mile work truck, this thing came out incredibly well. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. As always guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more automotive content like you saw here today. This truck is one of many projects that have gotten done here on the channel, and it's only the beginning. So tune back in soon to see what I'm up to. And until then, I look forward to seeing you guys next video.